Easy now, keep it level.
Holding steady at 3 meters.
We must ensure the core alignment is precise.
The tolerances are critical at this stage.
Initiating automated sequence, laser alignment confirmed. Okay, applying pressure now. Hold steady.
That's it. It's secure. Okay, the blue bundle goes into slot 4.
Got it. Checking continuity now.
R5 alignment is holding steady at 900 millimeters.
Confirmed. Let's scan the trailing edge for surface defects.
Check the alignment right here on the trailing edge.
Adjusting now.
Internal scan of bulkhead 7 is complete and clear.
Apply more pressure on the starboard side.
Copy that. Making the adjustment now.
Watch the clearance.
Clear. Lower it slowly.
Engage the primary locking mechanism now. Make sure it's exactly 52.4 centimeters.
Holding steady right here. Looks good.
We need to verify the alignment of the Z-axis bulkhead.
We need to verify the align on the Z-axis bulkhead. It's showing a 2 millimeter deviation here.
Okay, align the left nozzle with the coupling point.
Got it. Torquing now.
The alignment on section 4 is stable.
Cross-reference with the primary schematic.
The laser mapping confirms the alignment is within tolerance. Now we cross-reference the hydraulic pressure data on the tablet.
As you can see here, the diagnostic confirms that the pressure differential is optimized for the upcoming tests.
That should hold the alignment.
Confirmed. Moving the sensor array clear.
See how this bundle chafes right here? It needs more slack.
Got it. I'll adjust the clamp position.
All right, securing the starboard side now.
Got it steady. Torque looks good.
Okay, feeding the red wire into port 3.
Clear on this end.
Make sure the yellow cable is flush before you tighten that connection.
Got it. Torquing now. Careful with the leveling.
It's steady now. Let's move to the rail.
Okay, torque sequence initiated.
Check the alignment on bearing 12. It seems slightly off the center axis.
Adjusting it now. Does that look correct?
Okay, verify the connection point there. That's the one highlighted in yellow.
Got it. Securing the latch now.
This data spike here indicates a potential issue with the fuselage coupling.
I see it. Cross-reference with the vibration metrics.
Ensure the diagnostic sequence is logged before we transfer oversight to the floor team.
Already done. The fuselage alignment is proceeding as planned.
Check the thermal readings on the lower bypass. They are well within tolerance according to the schematic. The tolerances look good on panel 4.
Cross-referencing with the stress data now.
Ready to cycle the hydraulics on your mark?
We need to recalibrate the hydraulics on strut assembly 7. The pressure readings are fluctuating. Run the diagnostic again.
The starboard mount alignment is off by 2 millimeters.
Adjusting the laser calibration now.
Reading stable on the main strut.
We need 300 Newton meters on that flange.
Holding steady at 305.
Verified.
Aligning to grid marker 4. Watch the strut clearance.
Copy that. Steady pressure on the hoist. And hold.
Apply steady pressure.
We are looking for exactly 3 clicks on this sequence.
Got it. Das war sind aber what I see. Check the pressure readings on sector 4. They're fluctuating slightly.
Noted. The strut bolt is torqued correctly now. Hold it steady right there. The connection seems loose on the third port.
All right, applying the diagnostic tool now. Checking for a secure connection.
Gently lower it now. We need perfect alignment before the locks engage.
Wiring harness is clear, engineer. Keep it coming down, Kenji. We need to hit that mark exactly. Copy that. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Alignment is perfect on this side, Captain.
Ensure the torque is set to 7 to 5 Newton meters.
I'm applying the torque now.
Check the connection on the wiring harness as well. Torque is steady at 50 Newton meters.
Gauge reads nominal.
Moving to sector 4.
Check the clearance on the secondary manifold here. Looks within tolerance, but let's log the observation.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Latches are secure. Cables are clear.
Connection secure. Fuel transfer proceeding as scheduled.
All cabin systems reported green on the manifest.
Copy that.
Flight controls checked, ready for pushback.
Initiating the spin sequence now.
Pressure levels are nominal. We are clear for the next phase.
Check the RPM spike on screen 4. I'm compensating with the fuel flow regulator.
Reading stable now, N1 steady at 25%.
We need to check the alignment on sector 4.
Copy that. Running diagnostics now.
Torque to specifications. Confirmed, it's clear.
Roger. Engaging tug now.
All right, team, confirm green on the struts. Roger that. Checking now.
Pre-flight checklist complete.
Systems nominal. Ready for pushback.
Flap set to 20. Confirm hydraulic pressure. Confirmed. Pressure green. Takeoff configuration normal.
The thermal readings on section 4 are slightly elevated.
I see that. The diagnostic shows it's still within tolerance, but let's log it.
The latest Skylink model successfully completes takeoff. a triumph of modern engineering.
Tower, Skylink 7, ready for departure. Roger, wind check 290 at 5, runway 1-way cleared for takeoff. Checklist complete, systems are nominal. Roger that, clear for pushback.